Worship Queens of Amazilian. My name is Amzimbali, your global superstar, and today I'm with Amalyrics TV.
Danko.
Dako, this
Let's do chess, but I'm drinking water. You also drinking water?
gossip. Yes, I'm drinking it.
Oh, it's Sprite, man.
Yes, it's gossip, baby. So, I would like you to welcome you to Gossip, obviously, and please introduce yourself.
Oh, okay. Ikamo Spuda unlocked, man. Spusiso. Spusiso. That's my full name, Spusiso. Social media, it's Spuda unlocked.
Okay.
And then do a show to Amalyrics.
Yeah.
So the channel is Amalyrics, and then the ad is Amalyrics TV. We just did that because there's like other projects that we're gonna do under the whole TV brand.
Oh, under that channel.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, why did you literally do that? Like Amalyrics, why did you prefer to? What fascinates you about Amalyrics Wengoma?
No, so like I used to like go on Mama Melingom, and then you like listen to the song and have like a different like version of the lyrics.
Yeah.
Like when I'm with like Ingoma Yaga, I think the person actually planned it to go like a separate way.
Yeah.
And then so we thought of like just inviting the artist to actually explain the version. Yeah, go with okay the lyrics, what do they mean, and then we actually found out like as we were creating there's actually stories behind the lyrics, and then now getting into the stories behind the lyrics, but it's something that's slowly manifesting itself because of when you started it was just getting the artist version of the lyrics. But what do they say and what do they mean?
Yeah, we saw you are a team, so available. This person handles cameras, handles.
Yeah, so we see two as a team, and then so basically there's Versace Films. Make sure you check out on Instagram. So she's the one that does the videography and editing.
Yeah.
And then you can actually see it on the credits. It's me, and then it's Versace, and then there's times where we shoot at M Studios, and then the M Studio team will be assisting in this and that.
Yeah.
But most of the time it's just the two of us.
So when you produce, Mr. Produce.
Yeah, you can say like that. You can tell the producer of the show.
Oh, okay. Well.
And I normally say I'm the content producer because I sort of structure like the content with what do we like in terms of what content we do, and then I basically create the content, and then she manifests it into reality.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So when did you actually start it then? The whole Amalyrics TV?
So we asked me with Amalyrics. So it was in my head, man, last year. And then like there's a lot of like moments where like it sort of was started until like so we go on Instagram, you start like doing like codes.
Yeah.
Where you on social media you start doing codes whereby you like take lyrics to a song and post them as like a code.
Oh.
So that's how I started it.
Yeah.
And then when was it? I forgot when was it, but on my personal like YouTube channel there was like videos that I did where I like explain lyrics to songs.
Oh.
And then it was only it was December when we shot it. It was in December when like the first episode was shot, but we only posted it in January.
Yeah.
So that's when I can say like it fully manifested like in January. That was when like the first episode happened.
Wow, congratulations. Like I would like to give a young advice or a big advice to people who are hustling, who are working, who want to see the better days. Yeah.
Oh yeah. So like one thing I've learned, and so with Amalyrics we interview a lot of artists, and majority of the artists that we interview are like upcoming artists, and it's artists that are still trying to like find themselves within like the space,
industry,
within the industry,
Yeah.
and all the motivation that they say is like that keep pushing and keep doing what you're doing, and then someone recognize, because a lot of times we expect like a co-sign or like a collab with someone big that's gonna make us like pop, and then maybe like get like for like YouTubers get like a YouTube collaboration with
Sure.
like big names like Oki, Oma or something,
Yeah.
and then that would make us like lit.
Yeah.
But what the upcoming artists have told me was like just keep pushing, just keep doing what you're doing, and then over time, whatever like energy you put out, it's gonna manifest itself back.
Yeah. Yeah.
So when as you long as you're pushing whatever you want to do, just keep doing it, and then over time you just get the results back.
On Zizi. So please,
On Zizi.
please like tell us where do we find you, your Instagram handles, YouTube channels, you know.
Oh.
Ungashare namanamba mawuthane
Ah. Yeah, so for upcoming artists, upcoming musicians, they can email their music to amalyrics772 or 72 at gmail.com. So amalyrics72 at gmail.com. They can then like that's where they send their music. Please be follow the attention on the subject you want an episode of to be on an episode of Amalyrics.
Okay.
Add that on the subject so that we can what's happening, and then just say attach. You can either attach a link to your music or you can attach like 2 songs that you feel like those ones you like. You put your best lyrics possible there, where you are like lyric king on that one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then in terms of social media, you can follow Amalyrics TV on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's at Amalyrics TV, and then for like for my personal channel, it's Buddha Unlocked on all social media. It's Buddha Unlocked. And then you can also follow our videographer Versace at Versace. So you know Versace. Okay, let me just spell it out. FERC, and then it's HIII at the end. Versace. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you, Buddha and Love, for coming and
Last toast.
last toast.
Yeah.
Asingaqedi boss. Abajona ukuthi bazobona ba-expect episode yami kuma-lyrics. Yes.
Oh no, I think now we would say thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm hearing the thank you. I'm like it's chai.
Well, it is chai, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to Amzimali channel, Neyake Amalyrics TV, and let's keep on growing. Love guys. Zizi.
And watch her episode on Amalyrics. Chai.